Perfecting your paper, proofreading and editing in APA style. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of academic writing with a focus on APA citation style. More specifically, we're going to tackle the essential topic of proofreading and editing in the context of APA style. This is a crucial step in ensuring the quality, clarity, and credibility of your work. While many might think that writing is the main task, proofreading and editing are where your paper truly comes alive. This is when you eliminate minor errors that can distract your reader. Ensure your citations are accurate and consistent. Refine your argument for clarity and coherence. Remember, every small mistake, especially in citations, can affect your paper's credibility. When using the APA citation style, there are common pitfalls to avoid. Inconsistent formatting. Make sure all your citations are uniformly formatted. Author names. Ensure author names are presented correctly. Typically, the surname followed by the initials without any punctuation. Publication date. Always double-check the year of publication, as errors here can mislead readers. Hanging indent. Use a hanging indent for reference list entries, which means the first line is left justified, and subsequent lines are indented. 1. Fresh eyes. It's always beneficial to leave your paper for a day and come back with a fresh perspective. 2. Read aloud. Reading your work aloud can help you spot awkward phrasing or sentences that don't flow well. 3. Checklist. Create a checklist based on common APA mistakes and ensure you've avoided them all. 4. Peer review. If possible, have a colleague or classmate review your work. They might spot something you missed. Beyond the technical aspects of APA style, it's essential to ensure your paper is clear and coherent. Here's what to focus on. Thesis statement. Does your paper have a clear argument or main point? Transition sentences. Ensure each paragraph flows logically to the next. Evidence. Check that your sources genuinely support your claims. Remember, accurate citation is crucial in APA style. Conciseness. Avoid unnecessary wordiness. Being direct and concise enhances readability. There you have it. Proofreading and editing, especially in the context of APA style, are essential steps in the academic writing process. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and best practices of this phase. Remember, your paper represents you, so make it shine by giving it the thorough review it deserves. Happy writing!